Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make some delicious Haitian Epis. I have my red and green bell peppers, my extra virgin olive oil, grounded black pepper, some salt, and in this little bowl you see I have garlic, fresh parsley, some habanero pepper, and green onion. Everything is going to be listed in the description box of the amount that I use for this small amount that I'm making. You can decide to, go ahead and cut up your bell peppers a little bit more finely than what I did, but I'm adding it to the blender. Here you see that I'm adding my green onion to the blender. Then I have my fresh parsley. After that, I go ahead and I add the habanero pepper. You can decide to remove some of the seeds because that's what kind of gives the epis a little kick. I have my black pepper, salt, and the last step is adding my olive oil. Then I'm going to make sure I give it a really good blend. You want to make sure everything is blended very well. There's no lumps. And that completes my video. I'm going to make a more thorough video in the future. But I want to thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. See you next time.